Hi, Pete here, and I'm in sunny Queensland, and I've been invited up here by Team Moto to give my impressions on CFMOTO's new 800 NK Advance. Now, there's so much competition at the moment in the naked parallel twin class, and CFMOTO have come with the Advance to really shake things up, and I reckon they've done a pretty good job. So the Advance is powered by a 799cc parallel twin engine, and it's pretty much plucked straight from the KTM 790 Duke. So it's got a slipper clutch and a quick shifter on the advanced model, bi-directional. And I tell you what, this engine is playful in personified. It is fantastic. It revs, it's got plenty of torque as well, and it just wants to go, it wants to play. The Advance sits above the standard 800 NK, and it retails for $12,490. That's a $1,500 premium over the standard model, but for that you get the quick shifter that I mentioned, you also get a steering damper, and you get this gorgeous 8-inch TFT dash. And that's got Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity, it's touchscreen, so simple to use, nice and bright, it really is beautiful. Maybe it looks like a bit of an afterthought because it's quite large and just sort of plonked there, but it's fantastic. Keeping the bike upright is a set of KYB 43mm forks. They're fully adjustable. They're on the firm side, which is perfect for a bulkier unit like myself. But even if you're lighter, they are adjustable. So you should be able to tune some of that out. On the rear, you have a rebound and preload adjustable rear monoshock, infinitely tunable. Really, really good. Braking wise, it's got that covered too. J1 calipers on the front and the rear. The stopping power is there. The feel's good. I would probably upgrade the brake pads just a little bit because they lack a little bit of bite, but apart from that, it's top-notch stuff. So controlling the TFT dash, you've got this left-hand switch block here. It's quite busy, and I will say that with big fat fingers like me, you can fumble around with the buttons a little bit, but it's really, really easy to control. This thing also comes with cruise control as factory, and at this price point, that's pretty good, and it's something I'd like to see on a lot of other models. You've got span adjustable levers, so even little hands can get on the controls, no problems whatsoever. So the only gripe that I say I would have with this is probably the gearbox is just a little bit notchy. The quick shifter's not the sweetest one I've ever ridden. We've got to remember the price point. And this is an entry-level bike, and it doesn't offer entry-level performance. It's got better than that. I'm really, really impressed with how it goes. It's that engine, absolutely amazing. So for more information on the 800 NK Advanced, head over to teammoto.com.au.